This segment is ultra boiler maintenance, your annual maintenance. First thing you would do is power the boiler down. For this segment, we've gone through and we've already taken some of the nuts off the heat exchanger and did some other things. But Weil-McLain has a maintenance kit for every size ultra boiler that we offer. It comes with a front door gasket, a refractory piece, a gasket for inside the Venturi blower motor right here. You can disassemble the boiler here, or you can come right here down to the flex connector. As long as you have a shut off outside the boiler, you can disconnect it at the flex connector. Take this off your silencer. What we're going to do here is we're going to disconnect all of the wires. They're all Molex connectors. We're going to disconnect the Molex connector, so we'll go to the blower motor and disconnect. We'll go here to the gas valve, disconnect. Come around the other side of the blower motor. There's a 120 volt connection there. We disconnect. Exhaust sensor, return sensor, supply sensor. We'll disconnect all the wires and we're going to just take and get them up and out of our way. Pull the plug off the igniter. There's a Phillips head screw that holds a ground wire to the front door. Just take and remove that. And again, we've gone through and loosened everything up prior to shooting the tape. So now that we've got everything disconnected, we can take this whole assembly off as one piece. So we'll get the rest of the nuts out of the way. The maintenance kit comes with a new igniter, new graphite gasket, new screws, and the other components go inside the heat exchanger here. We'll show you that in a minute. So all the nuts have been removed, and this whole door will come off. The burner, blower motor, gas valve, Venturi, everything will come off as one piece. This door gasket is in the maintenance kit. This piece of refractory material is in the maintenance kit. There's 3 7mm bolts that are in the maintenance kit, and the little tabs with the ears on them are in the maintenance kit. So you can take the burner off, clean the burner if necessary. You can replace the refractory material and replace the door gasket. All that comes in the maintenance kit. As far as the heat exchanger, you'll want to make sure that everything in the heat exchanger area is clean of debris. So you can go up in here with a little brush and brush anything you need to out of your way. Anytime you're going to work on the heat exchanger, as far as annual maintenance goes, to make sure that you're not dislodging debris from the top and getting it into the bottom, you'll always start at the base of the heat exchanger. The cleaning tool will go in at a 45-degree angle up. It'll go in at a 45-degree angle down, and it'll go straight in. And this is what you'll do. You'll put this in on both sides of the flue passageways to make sure that you get all the debris out of the flue passageways. You're going to knock some of that debris down into the base of the unit. You want to make sure you flush the debris out of here. And over here is your condensate drain. You're going to want to take the 2 hose clamps off of the condensate drain, remove the condensate drain, pour it out, clean it out, and refill it with water and reinstall it. When you're done with cleaning the condensate, cleaning your heat exchanger, you're going to basically put the front door back in, go around, put all the nuts on all of the studs. There is a torque spec, and there's also a tightening pattern in the manual. You want to make sure you follow the directions in the manual. Make sure you get this heat exchanger clean. This is our surface area where we have all the heat exchange taking place. The burner mounts in here, the flue passageways, pushes the flue gases down through the heat exchanger and out through the exhaust. So you can put your cover plate back on. These are 11mm nuts that go on each one of these studs. So you'll need an 11mm socket, a Phillips screwdriver, and your cleaning tool. And that will be everything you need to get in here to the heat exchanger to do an annual maintenance.